Today I'm going to go over how to change a key fob battery for a Nissan Sentra. This is for the 8th generation of Sentra from 2020 up to 2025 when they release a new one. So first of all, we are going, also note for different trim models, they may change the key fob. There may be different key fobs for your Sentra. So if it looks like this, great. If it doesn't, then it may be a different one and you'll have to find a different tutorial. So first, getting this spare key out can be a little tricky. Pop that out. Then we look at the end and we have these two little flat areas. You need a tiny little screwdriver like this, or just something to pry it. You slip it in here and you gently pry. And then you go around the edge and you work around the edge. Now, one thing, whenever you're working on electronics, make sure you don't touch this board because you could fry it with static electricity. So that separates, try not to touch it. Then we have our battery here. We're gonna reach into this little area and pop this out. And then always check and make sure you're replacing it with the same battery. This is a 2032. CR 2032 battery. Some are interchangeable, some aren't. Always try to replace it with the same thing. Now, when you go to put the replacement battery in, make sure that this side is up. So our positive side goes down and it goes the toe in first to hit that metal piece there. That's in. Then we're gonna go here and try not to touch that board. We're gonna put this together. This can also come out, so as you're working on this, be aware of that. Once it's lined up, I'm gonna gently kind of push and start to get it to click into place. And that is how you replace a key fob battery for a Sentra or any models that use this same key fob. I'm sure there's a couple that share the same key fob. If this is helpful, give a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.